Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find lock screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section where you've got the preview of your current wallpaper, and here we've been transferred to some sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got static wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. Under it you've got downloaded wallpapers, and in a second I'll show you how to download more options. Right here you've got live wallpapers, which means that here you will have stored all animated wallpapers, which are also pre-installed. You can tap on local images, so you will be transferred to your own files. You will be able to pick something from the gallery and set it as a wallpaper, or tap on download more, and if you've got the internet connection you will enter the online wallpapers, which you can check. You can, of course, as I said, check the preview and then download the wallpaper you'd like to use. So as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from. However, remember about the internet connection; it is required. And again, because we've got a lot of pretty options, I've got some problems with choosing the wallpaper. So let me choose. Maybe I saw this cute car here. Let me quickly tap on it. Maybe this one. Is it a cat? I think so. So as you can see, after tapping on the wallpaper, you will be able to apply it on the full screen, so you can decide whether you like it or not. You can also tap on the preview and you will see how it will look like with the icons applied. Let me go back. Not like that, right here. Of course, if you want to, you can scroll to the right or to the left and check other options without the need to go back to the previous list. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on download. It is a dog, the little dog on red sofa. Okay, it can be a dog. So all you have to do right now after tapping on download is to tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it. So as a lock screen, home screen, both, and you can crop wallpaper. It's up to you. I think I want to apply it on both. So now we can go back, and as you can see, our wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.